going to be full-on algebra. So let's say Mr. and Mrs. Thomas buy tickets for themselves and their 4 children. The cost of an adult ticket is £7 more than the cost of a child ticket, and the total cost of the 6 tickets is £86. Work out the cost of an adult ticket. I'm going to first of all draw the children tickets on, just these little tickets, that we've got writing on. And then the adult tickets, well, I've got the ticket. By the way, the ticket, actually, the picture represents the price of a ticket, not just the ticket itself. So this is the price of a child's ticket. So for the adult ticket, I also have to add on £7. I'm just going to put a little 7 there. But I've got 2 adult tickets. So I've got this other one and then £7. And that all together is going to equal 86. So it must be, if I take 14 away from 86, then I'll get the cost of the 6 tickets. And I can do that. 86 minus 14 is going to equal 72. So I can cross that out. It must be that 6 tickets cost £72. 86 minus 14. Right, so if 6 tickets cost £72, how much does 1 ticket cost? It's going to be 72 divided by 6. And that is equal to 12. So that is the price of a child's ticket. So to work out the adult's ticket, I just need to take the £12 and add 7 on. So overall, it's going to be £19. Now I'm going to do this question again, but this time using algebra, but it'll show you like the similarity and the difference with both approaches. So I'm going to call the price of a child's ticket X. So I've got 4 lots of X. 4 times X, that would be the cost of 4 children's tickets. Then I'm going to add on an adult's ticket. So it's the child's ticket plus £7. But it's also, because we're buying 2 of them, I need to add 2 of them on. By the way, you could do 2x plus 7 and then expand that, but I've decided to do it without expanding brackets. And if I add that together, then I get 86. I'm going to simplify this equation. I can add the like terms. So I can add 4x, x, and x to give me 6x, and I can add 7 and 7 to give me 14. So 6x plus 14 is equal to 86. This is actually what is represented over here. It's exactly the same. So now I can minus 14 to give 6x is equal to 72. Okay, you can imagine just taking 14 away from the 86, but technically we're taking it away from both sides. If you don't like that, then you can use the same idea. Take away, do the inverse operation, do the opposite to adding and subtract. And then we do the opposite to timesing by 6, which means that x is equal to 72 over 6. Equivalently, you can imagine dividing both sides by 6. It's what we did over here when we said 6 tickets were worth £72. So that will again give 12, and then we just need to add 7 to it. X plus 7 is equal to 19. 2 approaches. I hope you're happy with one of them, or at least both of them. It's worth looking at this because some questions, especially later on the paper, might require you to create equations from information.